Good morning, children. I am going to take English for you. Okay, children. Now, open your English textbook and open page number 14. Okay, children. All of you open. See, in that page number 14, they are given some poem. Okay, children. Listen carefully. I'll read. Slice, slice, the bread looks nice. Spread, spread butter on the bread. On the top, put the jam, so sweet. Now, it's nice for me to eat. So, all of you have seen the bread, no? All of you have eaten the bread, I think. So, you take the bread and cut into slice. So, it will look nice. So, on that bread, you put some butter. So, on the top, on the butter top, you put jam. So, it looks, its tasty is sweet, no children, jam. So, you put the jam and now you eat, it will be nice. Okay, children. Next. Rocky Day is Writer's Day. This is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, children. I'll read this poem. This full moon day, our hearts are in brim. We light the lamps and our hearts glow. Sister will tie the thread on the brothers, abiding them to do only what is right and clean. Put the kumkum and blessed rice on the head, where will dwell right thoughts and noble action. So this is the poem. So this full moon day will come now. When it comes, our hearts will be full. So when the full moon day comes, we will light the lamp. When we light the lamp, our hearts will be shining. So in this Rocky, it is about Rocky Day, Rocky Raksha Bandhan. So in that Rocky festival, so the sisters will tie the thread on the brother's hand. And so they will say what is right and clean. So after tying, these brothers will be there, no? They will put the kumkum and rice on the sister's head. And they will say that you must think right and do the noble action. Okay, children? I'll read with spellings. THIS this, FULL full, MOON moon, DAY day, OUR hour, HEARTS odds, ARER, IN in, BRIM brim. This full moon day, our odds are in brim. WEVLIGHT light, TH the, LAMPS lamps, AND OUR hour, HEARTS odds, GLOW glow. We light the lamps and our hearts glow. SISTERS sisters, WILL will, TIE tie, TH the, THR EAD thread, ONR, TH the, BRO THERS brothers. Sisters will tie the thread on the brothers. ABIDING abiding, THEM them, TO2 DO2 ONLY only, WHAT what, IS is, RAGHT right, AND and CLEAN clean. Abiding them to do only what is right and clean. PUT put, TH the, KUM kumkum, and BLESSED blessed, RICE rice, ON TH the, HEAD head. Put the kumkum and blessed rice on the head. WHERE where, WILL will, DWELL dwell, R-I-G-H-T, right. T-H-O-U-G-H-T-S, thoughts. And N-O-B-L, noble. A-C-T-I-O-N, action. Where will dwell right thoughts and noble action. So, this is the poem about Rocky and brothers and sisters. When Rocky comes, sisters will tie the thread on the brother's wrist and brothers will put the kumkum and rice on sister's head and they will protect them. Okay, children? Next page. See, they are given here new words means meanings. Brim means full, glow, shine, abiding, obeying or lasting for a long time. Dwell means reside or stay. Next they are given fill in the blanks, then they are given the bracket. Our hearts are full to the brim this dash day. So in the dash, what will come? Full moon. So answer is full moon. F-U-L-L, full, M-O-O-N, moon. Second one. We light the dash and our hearts dash. So, what we will light? We will light the lamps. So, spelling is L-A-M-P-S, lamps, and our hearts glow, G-L-O-W, glow. Third one. We do what is dash and dash. So, what we do? We do what is right. Okay, children? What is right? R-I-G-H-T, right, and clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. We do what is right and clean. Next, fourth one. We put kumkum and dash on the head. So, kumkum and what they will put? They will put blessed rice. B-L-E-S-S-E-D, blessed, R-I-C-E, rice. So, these all answers they are given in the bracket. Okay, children? Next. So, I will ask some question, children. What happens when we light the lamp? So, when we light the lamp, what will happen? Can anyone answer, children? So, when we light the lamp, our hearts will glow. Answer is, when we light the lamp, our hearts will glow. Next question. Who ties the threads on whom? Who will tie the thread? For whom they will tie? Can anyone say? So, sister will tie the thread on brother's wrist. Okay, children? Sister will tie the thread on brother's wrist. Okay, children? Next, third main. Frame sentence by joining the words from the table. Rewrite them in the space given. One is done for you. See, in the table, in this one, they are given some words, some sentence. You must join and write. Children, first, a farmer. What will the farmer do? The farmer will work in the field. Okay, children. Second one, a soldier. Here, in the second, this one, they given act, flies, plays, wears, sings, repairs, works. So, a soldier wears uniform. So, what will the soldier wear? The soldier will wear uniform. Third one, a singer. What will the singer do? A singer sings. What he will sing? He will sing songs. So, a singer sings songs. Okay, children. Next, fourth. An electrician. So, what will the electrician do? So, an electrician repairs lights. Okay, children. Electrician repairs lights. Next, a pilot. So, what will a pilot do? A pilot flies a plane. An actor. What will do actor? So, an actor acts in films. Next, a musician. What will the musician do? Musician will play the music. Okay, children. Now, I will read one by one. First one says, the farmer works in the field. Second, the soldier wears uniform. Third, the singer sings songs. Fourth, an electrician repairs lights. Next, a pilot flies a plane, an actor acts in films, a musician plays music. Okay, children. So these are the sentence you must write in the dash in the given space. Next page. Next. So here they are given some picture. You want to match them. So first one is monkey, second one is bee, third one bird, fourth cow, fifth lion, sixth horse. So in the B side they are given nest, tree, shed, den, stable and beehive. So you must match this one for. So monkey, where it will stay? Where it will be? It will be in the tree. So you put one for the second one. In the second line tree is there. There you put one. Otherwise put an arrow mark. Now next bee. So where it will be? That bee. So it will be in the beehive. So in the sixth line it is there. There you put one arrow mark. You write 2 there. So next is bird. So bird, where it will lay eggs? It will lay eggs in the nest. So it is in the first line. There you put one arrow mark or you write 3 there. Next cow is there. So where will the cow live? So the cow lives in a shed. So they have given here cattle, barn, shed. See, that is in the third line. So you put one arrow mark or you put number 4. Next is lion. Next is lion. So where will the lion live? So the lion lives in a den. So it is in the 4th line. So there you put one arrow mark or write number 5. Next is horse. So where it live? So it lives in a stable. So it is in the 5th line. There you put an arrow mark or you put there 6. Number 6. So I say once again. Monkey, tree. Bee, beehive. Bird, nest. Cow, shed. Shed, cattle, barn. We can say anyone. Lion, den. Horse, stable. So these animals are the homes of these animals. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? Shall I ask some question, children? What happens when we light the lamp? Can anyone say, children? So, when we light the lamps, our heart will glow. Okay, children? Next, who ties a thread on whom? So, sister will tie the thread on the brother's wrist. Okay, children? Now, fill in the blanks. Our hearts are full to the brim this full moon day. We light the lamps and our hearts glow. We do what is right and clean. We put kumkum and blessed rice on the head. Okay, children? So once again, I'll read this poem. After, you must by heart this poem. Okay, children? Slice, slice, the bread looks nice. Spread, spread, butter on the bread. On the top, put the jam, so sweet. Now, it is nice for me to eat. So, you must by heart this poem. After next, Rocky Day is Righteous Day. This full moon day, our hearts are in brim. We light the lamps and our heart glows. Sisters will tie the thread on the brothers, abiding them to do only what is right and clean. Put the kumkum and blessed rice on the head, where will dwell right thoughts and noble action. So these 2 poems you must by heart and say for me in the next class. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? So in the next class, I will give you notes. Okay, children? Thank you.